that about 80% of the people we treat for back pain and sciatica here in Edinburgh struggle with sitting. Whether it's pain while you're in the chair or that awful spasm when you try to stand up, you are not alone. I've been there myself, and I promise you, your back isn't fragile, it's just incredibly sensitive right now. And here is how to fix it. When you sit, your lower back naturally rounds out into a position we call flexion. Your sensitive discs and nerves hate this position. To stop it, you need to sit with your hips higher than your knees. If you're stuck in a bucket seat in the car or a deep sofa around the Lothians, sit on a folded towel or a small cushion to elevate your hips. Then place a firm support in the small of your back to keep your natural arch from bowing outwards. And don't stay completely static. Gently rock your weight from cheek to cheek to keep the joints moving. Now, how do you get out of the chair without a flare-up? First, shuffle your bottom right to the front edge of the seat. Second, tuck your feet back underneath the chair. Third, take a short, sharp sniff in through your nose. This automatically braces your abdominal muscles. And finally, push through your thighs and stand straight up. Do not lean forwards, because that forward bend is what triggers the pain. Once you're up, just gently waggle your hips side to side to loosen off. And remember the rule, use it or lose it, but don't abuse it. Modify your sitting now so you can build up your tolerance slowly. You'll sit comfortably again,